Okay, we are at my dad's house surprising my dad right now. He, like my mother, has no clue I'm here. So I just picked up my mom from school and we're at her apartment. We're about to go upstairs.
Stand right. Hi, Dad.
What are you doing here? What's up? What are you doing here?
Surprising you.
Oh, that's nice. I don't get as drastic as your mother does, and
I just surprised her at school too.
and I know how to watch my language.
She did it.
What's up, little girl? That's a big surprise. Sneaking home, huh? Finally pulling the wool over my eyes. That's pretty cool.
I had no clue.
Hi, Mom.
Holy shit! I gotta call you back.
I got a package. You got a package. You got to sign for it.
I am here at my mom's college, about to walk into her college class to surprise her for the second time this year from coming overseas.